and today you'll be cooking with Sheila. This is something I always wanted to do, but never had a chance to. So now, I'm just going to go ahead and take a shot for it. So bear with me. Today we're going to be cooking sweet and sour chicken legs and ham fried rice. I'll show you everything you need to do, how you go about doing it, and hopefully you'll get a good meal. So, let's begin cooking. I already have the chicken on fried, and now we're going to fry the season for the ham fried rice. Okay, you need a little onion and bell pepper so you can give it a good flavor. That's the chicken frying. And this is the onion and bell pepper you're going to need for your ham fried rice. Okay? Then turn the fire up, give it a nice sear. Okay? Once that starts to fry, we'll add the ham. You sprinkle your little season, a little salt. Not too much because your ham has salt in it. A little season on. Just enough to give it a little flavor. I never measured because I cook so much. I can just feel it. I can judge it. Okay, you want to give it a little kick. Put a little cayenne in it. That's pepper. Not too much. Everybody that eats don't like pepper. You know, you just want to give it some flavor. Alright. And also drop a little of your green onion in there, but you need that at the end to garnish your rice. And now we can start putting the ham in so we can give it a flavor. And let all that cook together. We'll give it a nice fry. Okay, we stir it together. Turn the fire up some. You want to give that sizzle taste. So the ham can be cooked real good. And the chicken is still frying. Let that set, let it cook. Step on our chicken. Okay, the chicken is doing real good. Now once this chicken fries, we're going to take it out and place it in a pan. And we're going to put our sweet and sour sauce on it and place it in the oven. Yeah, for about 45 minutes. Maybe more, we'll check it, you know, as we go. We'll see. Because these are legs and they're pretty big. So make sure they cook all the way through. Nice, big, pretty legs. Yep. Yep. Now, I may not be cooking every day. Sometimes I may cook 2 meals at a time so I can stay out the kitchen. But whenever I start cooking, I'll make sure you're in the kitchen with me. You'll be cooking with Sheila too. Right, all my secrets. Just like I learned. And if you like to cook, it's always going to come out good. I'm not saying I'm eating all this food. I have 2 fine sons and grandchildren. Often some of my nephews will stop by and want to play. But that's okay with me because I love to cook. I may bring some of my co-workers food. I just like cooking. Yeah, it's all cooking good. Everything is just where I want it to be at. And by this time, you're already going to draw your rice for your ham fried rice. So you're really just waiting on this ham and the season to cook so you can mix it all together. Start frying there. Okay, check on the chicken. We're almost there. Once it come out the pan, out the pot frying, we're gonna put it in the pan. Gotta get a little bit more brown. Want it to be a little crispy with the sweet and sour sauce on it. That's pretty, huh? Nice big pretty lady. Beautiful. Yeah. A little while longer. And then you can put it in the oven. Over this lady right there. So we're going to take on our ham fried rice. I took it off because I didn't want it to burn. You know, when you're multitasking in the kitchen, you got to know how to take it off so it don't burn. Okay, we're almost there. I never taste my food. I don't know why. I guess because I can smell it. I've been cooking for so long. I always wait till I'm through cooking. You know, I always have a lot of taste testing. My son, my grandchildren, whoever's around, I ask them, whoever want to taste it, can taste it. I just wait till I'm finished cooking. Funny, huh? Okay. Now, all right, I'm going to take a little soy sauce. Just to give it a little head start before we put it on the rice. Take a little Worcestershire sauce. I always get tired of when I say that, Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce. Yeah. Okay. Now let that cook a little. Give a nice flavor. You can smell it. Smell aroma. Smell. Yeah, smell aroma. Looks good already. And also at the end, just before the end, we're going to scramble an egg. And we're going to put that up in our ham fried rice too. This don't take long. It's a quick meal. All you have to know what to do. Once you get it down, you'll be doing this all the time. Okay? Let's turn this fire now. I want to burn. Okay? All right, chicken is ready. Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to put this chicken in a paper plate. Take this chicken and let it rest right here. It's pretty made. I don't want to do too many. Just want to give you an idea. Okay. Turn this off. Turn this off for a minute. Okay. Take this grease and put it on the side. We don't have wax grease in the kitchen. Okay. Here's the chicken. Finished frying. Nice, pretty and brown. I'm going to take the chicken and place it on the pan. Like this. Just like that. One up, one down. One up, down. Until you finish. Okay, we're going to take our sweet and sour sauce. Ooh, that looks good. And put on the chicken. Good thing I bought 2 bottles. One of my sons is crazy about sweet and sour chicken. Okay, make it another bottle. that one down a little bit more. I think I'm gonna take that one before he come home. All right. Beautiful. Get a little piece of furl paper. Put over it. Put it in the oven. Okay. I'm gonna knock it down tight. I'm not gonna add no water to it. I want to keep all the flavor in it. Okay. And as you go, try to pick up your stuff. I like to clean behind myself as I go. That's less work I have to do once I'm finished cooking. That way I have a nice dinner and a clean kitchen. All right, I'm gonna put it in the oven. Okay. I'm gonna load a fire. Just put it up on 450 just to make the oven hot. I say about 300 because I'll be here watching it. All right. Now we're gonna do the ham fried rice.